When we are able to provide a learning environment here at the junior high and in our other buildings in Unit 40, we talk about how can we provide more opportunities for kids. It's not just the internet, it's not just devices, it's how do we provide that teaching and learning. And so what our job is as a school district is provide those means to our staff and to our students to be successful. And that's really where we want to set them up for success, and we can do that in this type of environment better than we ever have in the past.
As an educator, it means a lot to see that the school board, the community, and everyone values what we're doing.
When you walk into a building with the new color schemes and the new technology and the new windows, and you walk into a building that's just bright and happy and so many new things that you can do, it really makes you believe, hey, I can do anything here.
It was really exciting for a lot of us to know that our classrooms would have this feeling that would provide this environment that would allow us to access different opportunities in teaching that we wouldn't have been able to do previously.